is a demonstration of what it's like to type with my new e-ink typewriter, or that's what I'm calling it. Actually, it's a Bigme B6 Android tablet running Google Docs connected up to my Bluetooth keyboard. And I bought it to let me type both at night without keying me up by exposing me to, harsh blue light and distractions and, emails and text and like my laptop or phone would. And also so that I could type outside during the day, because this is an e-ink tablet. It shows up perfectly in the day with no backlight. At night, you've got to turn the backlight on. But either way, you get this simple device that you can type on. Very little distractions. It's held at arm length, so there's no temptation to swipe. And it really is good for a draft. Now, I'd probably use a laptop or a computer or something for any editing, especially if you were citing other sources or something and you wanted a second screen. But just for a simple draft, I think this is about as good as it gets. You also could use it as a nice e-reader function too. I already have a Kobo Clara 2e e-reader, so I was really just looking for the typing functionality. But if you want to get this device, I'll have a link both to either the Bluetooth keyboard or the Bigme B6 e-ink tablet below. They were $170 on Amazon last time I checked for the tablet, and $20 for the Bluetooth keyboard. Thank you, and have a nice night. Good typing. Bye.